We are just arriving. Nykiya Adams with director Andrea Arnold. Today it's warm, it's sunny, and the festival goers are happy to be here for this new day of the competition. So it's Bird by Andrea Arnold. It takes place in a working class town in Kent, and we follow Bailey, who's 12, who's played by Nykiya Adams, just on the right of Andrea Arnold there. They live in a squat in the town, and it's a film that looks at social conditions where people sort of wander around without being able to get out of their condition in this suburb, and it's a film about teenagehood with the very particular view of Andrea Arnold. So we're going to see Bailey and her anger resisting, standing up against the world. Her father, played by Barry Keoghan, an Irish actor who's very well known. He's here in Cannes for the second time in the official competition. And there's Nykiya Adams, who plays this 12-year-old girl. And on her right, Jason Buda, who plays Hunter, Bailey's half-brother. So a lot of young actors are revealed in this film. With the striped shirt, Franz Rogowski, a German actor, dancer, choreographer, who plays the character Bird in this film. Bailey and Bird have a strange friendship because it's almost a fantasy film. Music plays a great role in the film, and paradoxically it's very similar to Thomas Reyer's The Animal Kingdom, which came out in 2023. I say no more. Andrea Arnold has left the Photocall, leaving her 4 actors. Franz Rogowski, Barry Keoghan with the glasses, Nykiya Adams dressed in black, and Jason Buda. And Nykiya Adams and Jason Buda are young actors who were found by Andrea Arnold, who said that for Bird, she went to a lot of schools to discover young people, and she wanted to have the she tried to find school children who were the ones that the teachers wanted to hide or the adults wanted to hide, so the most disruptive ones. So she's a real revelation in this film, Nykiya Adams, and everything that Andrea Arnold does in this film is fantastic. She's already won, Andrea Arnold, 3 jury awards for Red Road, Fish Tank, and American Honey. And will she get the Palme d'Or this year? So there the photographer is very enthusiastically shouting and calling out. Barry Keoghan has taken his glasses off. And so the photographers are very happy about this, and it's always good to see the photographers happy. And to see Barry Keoghan's eyes.
Together. at your left, please.
So we were saying Barry Keoghan. It's the second time here, the first time in 2017 for the killing of a sacred deer by Yorgos Lanthimos. He's an Irish actor who was revealed to the general public in Dunkirk by Christopher Nolan in 2017. He has been in the Marvel franchise in 2021 with Chloe Zhao's Eternals. He can play in all sorts of different registers. And so he can go from independent auteur films right through to mega productions, Hollywood mega productions. The photographers are calling for the actors and the director, but no, they're off on their way towards the press conference for Andrea Arnold's bird. The press conference is always a very important moment where the director...
Until the 23rd. Okay. I'm leaving tomorrow. I want to get closer. Yes. Wow. Thank you guys. They say so I'm on.
Yeah, maybe you're right, yeah. Great. But they want to see that.
Yeah, it's not canned.
No.
Not the draw.
Hello. Thank you.
Franz, I work at the European Parliament. Would you tell people to use their vote? Would you tell people to use their vote in the European elections? Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Franz, can I ask you for a picture? I loved you in this film, that scene with the hug in the end. Thank you so much.
Franz, could I also get a picture? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No, we have to go. Sorry.